This Mexican ceviche recipe is so delicious, and by eating recipes like this with healthy food alternatives and food-grade essential oils, it helps improve gut health, you feel better, your body functions better, and you still can enjoy yummy foods. So keep watching. Healthy is simple. In a small bowl, let's add 2 tablespoons olive oil and 10 drops of lemon essential oil and 10 drops of lime essential oil. These are great for detox and cleansing. Then we're going to add 3 drops black pepper and 2 drops of coriander essential oil. Great for gut health and immune boosting. And the flavor is amazing. Now add 1.5 teaspoons salt and 3 cloves garlic pressed. And give it a little bit of a stir because you want to make sure and blend these flavors. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of slivered red onion and 1 pound of either halibut, tuna, cod, or shrimp. I'm using halibut, but all of them are yummy. Then we're going to combine this very well to mix flavors and then add a 6-inch cucumber diced, 2 plum tomatoes diced, and 2 medium avocados diced, plus 1/2 cup chopped cilantro, and mix it together. That's all there is to it. And this blend is so amazing. You will just love it. Healthy is simple. Please ask your questions in the comments below, then like and subscribe. As a health and weight loss coach of many years, I help people like you improve gut health naturally by starting with a free health assessment in the description below. So take that next step, and thank you for watching.